Hey guys, it's Dr. Gilbert here, and I'll be talking to you guys about the chemistry of shampoo and how it works. Shampoos are made commonly of sulfates. Most commonly, all shampoos, or most of them, are made with sodium lauryl sulfate. Shampoos have detergents which act similar to the detergents used in our washing machines. In general, we wash our hair because of sebum, an oil naturally created by our scalp to protect our hair, but too much will lead to a greasy mess. Because sebum is hydrophobic, it cannot be washed away by water. The detergent in our shampoos have a hydrophobic end, which grab the oils, and it also has a hydrophilic end that grabs onto water, as you can see through the demonstration down below. A demonstration of how our shampoo reacts with our sebum is, per se, the sebum, as you can see, is oily. Therefore, the hydrophobic ends will attract the oils, which leaves the hydrophilic ends to grab onto the water. Essentially, in conclusion, rinsing it away and cleaning your hair. So I've been getting a lot of questions on sulfate-free shampoos. Like, is sulfate bad for your hair? And first things first, sulfate is not bad for your hair. It's not bad for your health, especially. It's designed to clean the oils from your hair, and it does that in a perfect manner. The only controversial issue is that it dries out your scalp, which it can if you leave it in for so long, but if you use it as it's designed to, you leave it in your hair for a minute, you foam it up, and then you rinse it directly, you won't get any dandruff, you won't damage your hair at all, and most importantly, you won't risk your health no matter what. And secondly, the sulfate-free shampoos, I don't see a reason to buy it unless you have really sensitive scalp. Most of these sulfate-free shampoos actually contain a sulfonate, and since it's labeled as sulfonate, you could label it as sulfate-free. But when the sulfonate are reacted with water, it turns into detergent and acts exactly the same as a sulfate would. So these sulfate-free shampoos are really gimmicky, and just use a regular shampoo because it does its job and it's cheap. There's no need to look for these organic sulfate-free shampoos. Just save your money. So these 2-in-1 conditioner shampoos, I've heard a lot about them. I know a lot of people that use them for the convenience factor because you don't need to shampoo your hair, wash it, condition it, and then wash it again. Instead, you just do one step, so you save half the time, half the money. And the thing is, though, it really doesn't work because shampoos and conditioners are meant to be separate because they're opposites. They're meant to do the opposite thing. Like, shampoos are meant to get rid of our oils, while conditioners are supposed to replenish the oils and nourish our hair. So what did two opposites do? We learned this in physics. They attract. So these do not work, and I would not skip out on a step because if you want healthy hair like this, you gotta do your steps. Hair conditioners are made of only a few ingredients, but it's the cationic surfactant that does most of the work. At one end of every cationic surfactant molecule is a positive charge that binds to the negative charge of the hair strand. The attraction is so strong that the surfactant completely surrounds the strand and covers the cuticle flakes like a customized hair envelope. The small amount of acid in the conditioner makes the cuticle flakes fall tightly against each other and hair feels smooth again, even after you rinse the conditioner out. Hey guys, it's Dr. Gilbert here, and I hope you guys learned a lot about shampoo and conditioners, and I hope you guys are very aware of all the marketing tactics that are in the hair business today, and hopefully you learned all the benefits and negatives, and I hope I made you a smarter person. Thank you, and look good.